Hello, good morning students. How are you all? I hope all of you are good and safe at home. So today once again we will start our chapter 13 surface area and volume. We have already started this chapter in our class and we have done 6 questions. So today we will start our next question and this is question number 7. So once read in your book what is question number 7. It is not written on the board because it's very big question. So you can open your book and you can read the question. Question number 7 is Shanti Sweets stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. 2 sizes of boxes were required. शांति स्वीट्स वॉज प्लेसिंग एन ऑर्डर. शांति स्वीट्स एक स्टॉल है जो क्या कर रही है, विच इज प्लेसिंग एन ऑर्डर फॉर मेकिंग कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्सेस फॉर पैकिंग देयर स्वीट्स. अपनी स्वीट्स को पैक करने के लिए कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्सेस के लिए क्या कर रही है, ऑर्डर दे रही है. सो 2 साइजेस ऑफ बॉक्सेस वर रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, सो 2 साइजेस और 2 साइज के बॉक्सेस रिक्वायर्ड है. द बिगर ऑफ डायमेंशंस 25 सेंटीमीटर, 20 सेंटीमीटर एंड 5 सेंटीमीटर. एंड द बिगर बॉक्स है उसकी जो लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट्स आर 25, 20 एंड 5 सेंटीमीटर. एंड द स्मॉलर ऑफ डायमेंशंस 15, 12 एंड 5 सेंटीमीटर. और जो स्मॉलर वन है उसकी जो लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट है वो है 15, 12 एंड 5 सेंटीमीटर. फॉर ऑल द ओवरलैप्स 5% ऑफ टोटल सरफेस एरिया इज रिक्वायर्ड एक्स्ट्रा. और उसको ओवरलैप करने के लिए जो एक्स्ट्रा एरिया है वो क्या है, 5%. इफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड इज ₹4 फॉर 1000 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, सो फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड रिक्वायर्ड फॉर सप्लाइंग 250 boxes of each kind. So you have to find out the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. So you can see in the screen, okay, 2 boxes I have made and both the boxes are type of you can say this is cardboard type. So cardboard is like a cuboid type. Okay, so this one you can see, this one is the bigger box. Okay, this one is the bigger box and length, breadth and height means dimension of this bigger box are these. Length is 25, breadth is 20 and height is 5 centimeter. And this one is the smaller box. Length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. And both the each box is required. 250 bigger boxes is required and 250 smaller boxes are required. Okay, so first what will you do, you will find out the area of both the boxes separately. Okay, so first of all we will find out in this question number 7, total surface area of the bigger box. So this box is like a, this is cardboard. Okay, so cardboard is like a cuboid. Okay, it is cuboid type. So what is the total surface area of cuboid? So you know very well, 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. But how many boxes are required? So 250 boxes are required. So you will find out total surface area of bigger boxes and how many boxes are required? 250 boxes. Okay, so total surface area of 250 bigger boxes. Okay, total surface area of 250 bigger boxes. So it will be 250 into twice of LB plus BH plus LH. What is LB, BH and LH? So LB means length and breadth, BH means breadth and height and LH means length and height. Okay, so apply this and find out, put all the values. So 250 into 2, so it will be 500 into length into breadth. So length is 25. We are finding the total surface total surface area of 250 bigger boxes. So bigger boxes dimensions are length is 25, breadth is 20 and height is 5. So put the values, 25 into 20 plus 20 into 5 and plus 25 into 5. Put all the values, find out the value. So 500 into 500 plus 100 plus 125. Now 500, add all the values. So it will be 725. 725. Now multiply this. 362,500 and this is all the dimensions are given in centimeters, so it will be centimeter square. Okay, so this is total surface area of 250 bigger boxes. Okay, now we will find out the total surface area of 250 smaller boxes also. So write down total, this is TSA. TSA means total surface area. Okay, so total surface area of 250 smaller boxes equal to 250, okay, into same twice of LB plus BH plus LH. What is the meaning of LB, BH and LH? I have told you length, breadth and height. Okay, this is length, breadth and height. Clear all of you? Okay. So now you will find out total surface area of 250 smaller boxes. Okay, total surface area of 250 smaller boxes. So what will be the total surface area? 250 into twice of length, breadth plus breadth, height and plus length into height. Clear? So now we will find out the total surface area of 250 smaller boxes. Okay. So what is the total surface area of 250 smaller boxes? So 250 into twice of length, breadth, height and length into height. And this one is smaller box. And what are the dimensions of the smaller box? So length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 12 and height is 5 centimeters. So put the values. So I am putting here 250 into 2. So you can write it as directly 500 into length into breadth. So 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 and plus 5 into 15. Okay. So 500 into 180 plus 60 plus 75. 500 into add them. So 5 21 and 315 and multiply that 157500 and this is also in centimeter all the dimension. So it will be 157500 centimeter square. Okay, it's not visible here, so you can write it. I am writing here 157500 centimeter square. Okay, so this one is the total surface area of 250 smaller boxes. Okay, total surface area of 250 smaller boxes. So this one will be 157500 centimeter square. Clear? Now we will find out the total surface area of 500 boxes. Okay, total surface area of 500 boxes. So I am rubbing from here. Okay, so you can write it as total surface area of 500 boxes will be 250 bigger boxes. So this one is 362500 plus smaller boxes 157500. Okay, add them 0 0 5 plus 5 10 7 plus 2 9 and 1 10 0 1 6 plus 5 11 1 12 and 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5. Okay, 5,20,000 and this is also surface area. So this will be also centimeter square. So this is total surface area of 250 bigger boxes and 250 smaller boxes, means total surface area of 500 boxes. Okay, this is total surface area of 500 boxes. Now after finding the total surface area, you can see in the question it is written for all that overlap is 5% of total surface area. Okay, it is written 5% overlap of total surface area. Overlap means you can see the box. Okay, sweet box. So sweet box के ऊपर का जो डब्बा होता है बेटा, you can see in this box जो साइड के जो पार्ट्स, जो साइड की जो लेयर होती है, साइड का पार्ट्स होता है वो क्या होता है? एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट्स. ओके, सो दिस एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट्स इज कॉल्ड द ओवरलैप पार्ट. ओके, सो वी विल फाइंड आउट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया. सो आफ्टर 5% overlaps, 5% overlap on total surface area. So what is total surface area? Find out the 5% of total surface area. So it will be 5 upon 100 multiplied 5,20,000. Okay, so 20 cancel out. So it will be 5 into 5200. So 26,000 centimeter square. This is also the surface area. So this one will be also centimeter square. Clear all of you? Okay. Now total cardboard required. How much cardboard is required, you have to find out. Okay, so total cardboard required, so you will write total cardboard required after overlap, it will be total surface area, so 5,20,000 plus after overlapping, so overlap is 26,000 and 26,000, add them, so 26,000 if you will add, so it will be 5,46,000. Clear all of you? 5,46,000. And this is also total surface area, okay, of total cardboard. So this one will be centimeter square. Okay, this is also the area, so this one will be also centimeter square. Now you have to find out the cost of cardboard. And what is given in the question? It is given, find the cost of cardboard. If the cost of cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square. 1000 centimeter square की cost क्या है बेटा? 4 rupees. And you have to find out the cost of total cardboard. Okay, so cost of cardboard will be area. What is the total area and what is the rate? Okay, so total area is 5,46,000 and rate is 4 rupee at 1000 centimeter square. So this one will be 1000. 4 upon 1000. Now you cancel out 30, so it will be 546 multiply 4 and multiply that 2184, and this is cost, so it will be in rupees, 2184 rupees. Clear all of you? So this is the total cost of cardboard. So cost of cardboard will be 2184 rupees. So this is your question number 7. Okay, first what is given in the question? If it is not visible, wait a minute beta. Yes, now you can see. Okay, yes, so in this question you have to find out the cost of cardboard. So first of all, 2 boxes are required for Shanti Sweets stall. So 250 bigger boxes and 250 smaller boxes. The bigger boxes dimensions are length, breadth and height are 25, 20 and 5, and the smaller boxes dimensions are 15, 12 and 5. So first you have to find out the total surface area of 250 bigger boxes and total surface area of 250 smaller boxes. After that you will find out the total surface area of all the 500 boxes. After finding the total surface area of 500 boxes, it is written it is 5% overlap of total surface area. So you will find out the 5% of total surface area, and after that you will find out the total cardboard required. So it will be total surface area, and after overlapping 5%, so you will add them and it will be 5,46,000 centimeters square. This is total area of cardboard required. Now what is the cost of the cardboard? So it is written, and if the cost of cardboard is 4 rupees at 1000 centimeter square. 1000 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर की जो वैल्यू कॉस्ट है वो क्या है बेटा? 4 रुपीज़. एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 5,46,000 centimeter square cardboard. Okay, so this one will be area into rate, so multiply that, cancel out and find the value. Okay, so it will be 546 into 4, 2184 rupees. Clear all of you? So this was question number 7. Now we will start next question. Yes beta, now we will start our next question, question number 8. So you can open your book and read the question number 8. So it is written in the question number 8, Praveen wants to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box like structure with tarpaulin. जो परवीन है वो क्या कर रहा है कि एक टेम्परेरी शेल्टर बनाना चाहता है अपनी कार को पार्क करने के लिए. ओके, एंड दिस इज मेकिंग अ बॉक्स लाइक स्ट्रक्चर विद, उसका जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो क्या है? टारपोलिन है, दैट कवर्स ऑल द 4 साइड एंड टॉप ऑफ द कार. एक टारपोलिन टाइप का है जो क्या करता है बेटा? सारी ऑल द 4 साइड्स को कवर करता है एंड टॉप ऑफ द कार ऑल्सो. ओके, और जो क्या कर रहा है कि टॉप जो है उसको कवर कर रहा है. विद द फ्रंट फेसेस अ फ्लैप विच कैन बी रोल्ड अप, और जो फ्रंट वाला फेस है वो क्या है? उसको आप रोल कर सकते हैं, मतलब ओपन कर सकते हो, बंद कर सकते हो, खोल सकते हो. ठीक है, जो उसका फ्रंट मतलब सामने वाला जो गेट है. assuming that the stitching margin are very small and therefore negligible. उसकी स्टिच करने के लिए उसके जो चारों साइड से उसको जो स्टिच वो बनाया है वो किससे बनाया है, कपड़े से बनाया है, और उसको जो स्टिच करने के लिए जो मार्जिन है वो बहुत ही स्मॉल, बहुत थोड़ा और नेग्लिजिबल मतलब ना के बराबर है. हाउ मच टारपोलिन वुड बी रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक द शेल्टर ऑफ हाइट 2.5 मीटर. कितने टारपोलिन की आवश्यकता है आपको शेल्टर की हाइट अगर 2.5 मीटर है और बेस डायमेंशंस आर 4 मीटर एंड 3 मीटर, और उसकी बेस डायमेंशंस जो है वो क्या है 4 मीटर और 3 मीटर. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट हाउ मच टारपोलिन इज रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल शो यू द टारपोलिन. इट विल बी लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, yes, you can see this phone cover. Okay, you can see this cover. Okay, and the tarpaulin will be like this slide. Okay, for example, these four sides are given 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, but one side, okay, one side will be the open side like that. You can open from here, you can park your car and you can close it. Okay, so it will be like that. Okay, the front side, one side will be open side. You can park your car, you can open it, you can park and you can close it. Okay, and it will be made by this type. Okay, like, and this one is open side. Okay, so it will be made like that. And height of this one is given 4 meter. Length and breadth are given 4 meter and 3 meter. Height is 2.5 meter. Okay, so you have to find out the how many tarpaulin is required for making the shelter. Okay, इस शेल्टर को बनाने के लिए वो शेल्टर है वो किस टाइप का है, उसके 4 होल्स है और एक टॉप है उसका, और उसके अंदर हमें सामने वाला जो फ्रंट है वो क्या है ओपन. छप्पर जैसे होता है ना, आपने छप्पर देखा होगा जिसमें आप अपनी गाड़ी को पार्क करते हो. ठीक है, वो किस टाइप का होता है, एक किस टाइप की शेप होगी, 4 होल्स होंगी, ऊपर से उसकी छत होगी. ठीक है, उसके अंदर आप कार को पार्क करते हो फिर अपनी कार को निकाल लेते हो. ठीक है, तो बंद करने के लिए ओपन करने के लिए आपकी जो फ्रंट साइड है वो क्या होगी, ओपन और क्लोज कर सकते हो उसको. ठीक है, तो उसका क्या निकालना है आपको, एरिया कितने मार्जिन की कितने इसकी आवश्यकता पड़ेगी इस टारपोलिन को बनाने के लिए, वो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. तो उसके लिए आपको क्या निकालोगे, इसका एरिया. सो फॉर फाइंडिंग द एरिया फर्स्ट यू विल फाइंड आउट एरिया, लेटरल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबॉइड, बिकॉज it will be the area of 4 holes. आपको क्या करना है, all the 6 sides का एरिया नहीं निकालना है. 6 sides का एरिया के लिए you will find out the total surface area. But when you are finding the surface area of 4 holes, so it will be the lateral surface area. Okay, this is LSA. LSA means lateral surface area. So first you will find out lateral surface area of cuboid. It will be like cuboid because length, breadth and height all are given, dimensions are given, and plus टॉप, जो उसकी टॉप है उसका भी एरिया आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. सो टॉप विल बी रेक्टेंगुलर टाइप. सो एरिया ऑफ टॉप प्लस द लेटरल सरफेस एरिया, और यू कैन से एरिया ऑफ 4 होल्स. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी द एरिया ऑफ 4 होल्स, सो इट विल बी ट्वाइस ऑफ हाइट इनटू लेंथ प्लस ब्रेड्थ एंड प्लस एरिया ऑफ टॉप. सो टॉप विल बी लाइक अ रेक्टेंगल and rectangle, what will be the area of rectangle, so it will be length into breadth. ठीक है, now put all the values you have. So twice into height. So height, what is the height? So height is 2.5 meter. Okay, so put 2.5 into length plus breadth. So length is 4, breadth is 3 plus length into breadth. So 4 into 3. Now 2 into 2.5, 5 into 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4 3s are 12. Now 7 5s are 35 plus 12, so it will be 47, and this all our dimensions are given in meters, so it will be meter square because this one is area of the tarpaulin. So how much area is required for making the tarpaulin? So उस छप्पर को बनाने के लिए कितना एरिया की आवश्यकता पड़ेगी? So 47 meter square. So this one is question number 8. Clear? So that is all about today beta. So we have completed with this question our exercise also. The next exercise we will start in our next video. Okay, thank you all.